Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make audio spectrum in the CapCut PC. So first, you can start by adding your clips into the CapCut PC, and then you can try to find the audio spectrum in the CapCut stock materials. Here you can see there are a lot of variety stock libraries of videos, and one include the audio spectrum. You can easily find it under the green screen category in here. So what you need to do is just explore in here by scrolling down, and you'll see this audio spectrum green screen video. So you need to download it first. After it has been downloaded, you can just click on the plus icon and then put it on top of the main video. Now I'm going to just delete the rest of them. Okay, so let's remove the green screen by going to the remove background and use the chroma key. Click on show, and here drag the color picker into the green screen. Now adjust the intensity and shadow to how you like it. Okay, you can just reposition the audio spectrum, so I'm going to put it in here, for example, and this will be the result. So if you want to, you can add the title of the songs in here by using the tags on CapCut PC. So that's how you can make audio spectrum in CapCut PC. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.